Welcome back, guys and gals. We are going to play some Tour 7 today. So for all of you that aren't on the subscription, please subscribe to the channel and share the videos for me. That would help out a ton. Golf Clashers is the very popular site we have on Facebook. We also have 97 Warren 97, which is my Twitter handle. And if you guys want to check it out, wiggleboomsports.com. Now, 1, 2, 3. You want to watch out on this hole for as you can see, the dark colored grass. That is actually out of bounds right there. You can see it. You don't want to end up going out of bounds on that little corner. It's very easy to do. As you can see, it sticks right out there on the left side. That is out of bounds, believe it or not. So you want to make sure you're not getting your ball in there, or you're going to automatically lose the hole. Now, I don't know why I actually did, but I shouldn't have used any extra power there. As you see, I ended up in the rough. I should be still good to make the green, but if you want that elusive albatross, you're going to want to keep it on the green, the fairway. And our friend here did the same thing. But in this situation, it's plenty okay, I guess, because we have a nice little shot here that if you get it right, I'm not going to play this too much over. Well, I actually am going to play this too much over because the Nirvana is supposed to be 100%, well, 97, I think it is, accuracy. So that would mean one ring to every mile an hour of wind. Now, I think I only played that about 3.5, just because I didn't want to end up on the right side of this green. We'll see how his plays. So basically 5. So he wants to move the whole rack of the target here. So he's going to play it the whole way. Let's see how this works out. A lot of people have been saying that the Nirvana is 2-1, but you're not using the full. Yeah, see, it wasn't the full rack because he's right on the right side still. It's very strange, the Nirvana. Mine was pretty much 1-1. His was not. So I'm not sure exactly why that is. Now, I do know that when you're shooting a closer shot than a full-length shot, it's not going to move as much because obviously the wind is not going to play as much of a factor because the ball is not in the air as long. So those things do play into effect, but I don't know. Sometimes it's just strange. This game, sometimes it does funny things, but I guess you just get used to it over time, what to do. Now, this is a very plain hole, but plain it is. It's not the easiest thing to play a plain hole for some reason. think he only moved that over 5 rings. So he's going to end up on the right side of the pin. Yep. Now the sniper is very accurate, 100%. So if you play it exactly the amount of rings per wind, you should end up right where you wanted it to be. So, that being said, 5.3. So we're going to put this right on the edge here. And see where we end up. This is looking good. Looking good. A little bit too far. I think it got me a victory by 5.5 of a yard. 0.2. Wow. Well, there you have it. The shootout hole that's supposed to be easy, that doesn't seem to be. But anyway, guys, let's just get into another one here. Tim wants to play again. I can't say no, I guess. And seeing that we're trying to get all these holes out. So this is one I just finished videoing before, but maybe I can just cancel that video and add this one too. Now see, this is the way to play it, especially when the wind is blowing at you, because you don't want to end up in the sand trap. If you can make it to that shadow of those trees, you're good to make the green on your next shot. If you don't, this could be ugly. Oh, he caught the green. He's good, I think. Yeah, rolled her out there right into the shadow, just like I was saying. From there, you can make the green fairly easy. If you end up in the rough or the sand trap, you're not making the green. So, that being said, I'm going to play the exact same shot, except hopefully a bit better. Now, I'm going to move mine up a bit, so I'm landing nice and close to the rough, but not in the rough, getting a nice bounce and rolling it past the shadow for an even better shot at the green. The more left you are, a little bit more difficult it is, because then those trees down there get involved, and you don't want to be having to play around them. He's sort of okay here. We should get a nice roll off of that. Just gonna have to play his wind properly. Oh, where's he going? Weird choice. He had that lined up perfectly. To each his own, I guess. Now he's got to deal with the fact that he's using the full length of his club, and he's about to run out of time. Oh, he's going to hit this one past the hole. Shouldn't have used that extra power there, my friend. Should have stuck with his first instinct. That's the way I would have played it. Just got to get it on the green and nice and close. Now myself here, I got a little bit more wiggle room because I hit it a bit further. 1, 2, 3.8. Let's give this a go. See what kind of bounce we get here. Mine's going to go a little long, but it doesn't really matter since he cranked it past the green. So it should be a fairly easy win for me, I would think, because hitting it out of the sand trap is not the easiest thing to do. Although he does have a number or a level 4 Spitfire, which is quite impressive. I don't, it took me like well, that was an obvious miss. It took me like a year to get that Spitfire. I just got it last week, to tell you the truth, right on Christmas Day, believe it or not. And it was not quite a year. I've been playing this game for a year, but probably 7 months, I think, to get that club. And there you have it. Nice little victory. We'll take it. But thanks for watching, guys. And we'll catch you on the next video.